I'm Joe, live with my cat Macchou. Today I'm making Jamaican Curry Chicken requested by Rainbow Studios with Pink Sun. Can you try Jamaican Curry Chicken next? Thank you so much, Joe. And I'm so happy she used my sign-off word. Thank you so much, Joe. By the way, in Japan we add san after someone's name as a polite way to address them. In this video, I cook dishes requested by people from all around the world right here in my tiny Japanese kitchen. And today's dish is from Jamaica. Rainbow Studios with Pink Sun actually requested jerk chicken from me before, which was my very first time ever making a Jamaican dish. About 1 month after that request, she left a new comment on my short video where I made a breakfast dish using leftover deviled eggs. And that's where she requested this Jamaican Curry Chicken. I was so happy to receive another request from her. It makes me so glad to know she keeps watching my videos. Alright, let's see if I can pull this off. Watch me make Jamaican Curry Chicken. Oops. I felt like something was missing, so I added a little more spice. I heard the key to Jamaican curry chicken is burning the curry. Is that right? So I made sure to cook it really well. Okay, almost done. And I would like to wait. Macchou. Macchou's ears are the most important part, so I pack the rice in nice and tight. If this part is too loose, the ears won't stand up. can. Itadakimasu. So delicious. All the spices hit at once and fill my mouth with the most amazing flavor. I've never experienced an aroma like this before. The juicy chicken and the Jamaican curry spices come together so perfectly. But actually, I forgot to add the salt and the pepper. Honestly though, it was still so delicious. I think that's all thanks to the spices and all those vegetables. The more I eat, the more the spices keep building up. I love it. The chicken is so tender, it just falls apart. And Macchou rice goes perfectly with this. I just keep going and going. I can't stop. Every single bite is packed with flavor. The spices are warming me up from the inside. I can't believe I made this in my tiny kitchen. Rainbow Studios with Pink Sun. Thank you so much, Joe, for this precious request. And thank you for your message on my Jamaican Curry Chicken short video. You did so well, but you should add Maggi. Thank you so much, Joe. I've heard of Maggi before, but I've honestly never used it. I just ordered a bottle, so once it arrives, I'm going to try making another Jamaican dish with it. Stay tuned. I know this is probably nothing like the real thing back in Jamaica, but honestly, it was so delicious. Someday, I really hope I can travel to all of your places and taste the real thing for myself. That's my dream. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time. Thank you as always. I hope you have a wonderful day today too. ごちそうさまでした。